Trains are powerful machines, but when things go wrong, the results can be shocking. From incredible rescues to jaw-dropping accidents, these train incidents captured on camera will leave you speechless. Let's dive in. During the Biso Istam Festival in Bangladesh, overcrowded train journeys become a common sight as thousands of people ride on top of and between train cars. Though highly unsafe, this practice remains an essential part of the pilgrimage, and what stands out is the skill of the train conductors who navigate these conditions with expertise, ensuring that these risky journeys continue without major incidents. A freight train in New Brunswick, Canada demonstrates its incredible strength as it powers through heavy snowfall. Despite the risks of skidding and reduced visibility, the locomotive effortlessly plows through, sending snow flying in all directions, and at a level crossing, the train signaled its arrival with a loud horn just before the barrier lifted. A car was dangerously close to the crossing, highlighting the importance of exercising extreme caution at railway intersections. Fortunately, the motorists waited, avoiding what could have been a catastrophic accident. At the Nalasopara station in Mumbai, heavy flooding submerged the railway tracks, yet trains continued running without issue. Railway officials explained that the conductors followed safety protocols and were not required to slow down under such conditions. Diesel and electric locomotives are designed to be waterproof, with electric traction systems safely insulated to prevent short circuits. One of the most astonishing railway experiences in the world is the Hanoi train street, where trains pass through a narrow alleyway lined with homes, restaurants, and shops. The residents live just inches away from the tracks and have adapted to the routine of clearing the way when a train approaches. This unique setting attracts many tourists eager to witness the thrilling sight. A terrifying train derailment was captured on camera in Gibbon, Nebraska, showing how quickly things can go wrong. More than 20 freight cars derailed and overturned due to an unspecified cause, blocking all three tracks in the area. The massive force of the derailment scattered train cars across the land, but fortunately there were no reported injuries. As part of a safety awareness program, Polish railway officials conducted a simulated crash where a locomotive collided with stationary cars. Even at a reduced speed, the locomotive completely demolished the vehicles, emphasizing the sheer power of trains. The demonstration aimed to educate drivers on the risks of ignoring railway safety measures. A new tanker truck designed for fuel transport was subjected to a controlled crash test involving a 36-ton truck colliding with a train at 70 km/h. The test was successful, providing crucial data for enhancing the safety of flammable substance transport. The results will help engineers develop better impact-resistant designs to minimize damage in real-world accidents. Several incidents have occurred where cars were parked dangerously close to railway tracks, leading to disastrous collisions. Trains moving at high speeds left no chance for the parked vehicles, which were either dragged along the tracks or completely wrecked. This serves as a stark reminder of the risks of ignoring safety regulations and the importance of keeping a safe distance from train tracks. Heavy rains and flooding are common in many Asian countries, yet train operations rarely halt. Diesel and electric locomotives are designed to withstand submerged conditions as their electric motors and traction systems are waterproof. Proper grounding ensures that the electric current flows safely back to the substation instead of dispersing into the water. Dashcam footage captured a dangerous moment at a railway crossing when a train's carriages unexpectedly detached and rolled backward. The loose carriages nearly collided with cars on the road before the locomotive returned to retrieve them. Such incidents are often caused by mechanical failure or human error, highlighting the risks associated with railway transport.
Куда ты открываешь?
Вагон оторвался. Сейчас там.
A dramatic video showed a train engulfed in flames due to excessive coal dust igniting in the air. This phenomenon, while visually striking, poses a significant safety risk. Similarly, steam locomotives sometimes emit sparks when the electrical contacts deteriorate, creating a dangerous situation if flammable materials are nearby. A classic steam locomotive was ready to embark on its journey when an overlooked safety switch halted its progress. The train remained stationary due to a simple yet crucial oversight by the station employees. This minor error resulted in an unnecessary delay and reinforced the importance of track inspections before departure. The Makelong Railway Market in Thailand is a fascinating place where vendors sell goods right on the train tracks. And when a train approaches, merchants swiftly clear their stalls only to resume business once it passes. This market has existed for over a century and remains a prime example of human adaptation to railway infrastructure.